Hey guys, I'm back today, about to harvest my potatoes and replant some potatoes. So here are the potatoes behind me, and come with me to see how many we get. No, the little ones. I mean the big ones. Open the door. Oh, eat them so you don't eat our food. Trying to get this done before it rains on my head. I did too. It's so tiny. Oh no, it's about to rain. I'm trying to save all my soil, so this is why I'm doing this right here in this basket. Oh, wow, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, little teeny weeny. Well, folks, it looks like it works, but it looks like your potatoes will be tiny, and I probably should wait a little longer. So that is so little and cute. It's like the size of an egg. So I'm gonna let them sit in this other plastic container here. recycle this soil. I'm gonna amend it and recycle it. Get all these out of here. Yeah, this is good. So I think I got it all. And here comes the rain. See? And that's all from just 2 potatoes. All right, so first we're going to get our bucket and fill it with soil to that line. Maybe that's about 2.5, 3 inches. I believe some people say fill it up to about 4 inches. So this is me filling up with some of my used soil from the previous potatoes, plus some new soil that I got. Well, it's not that new, but it's not used by anything growing in it. I also have some compost that I'm adding to it. There's the soil bag there. And I'm just finishing that bag off because it's been sitting open. So I figure, hey, why not go a second batch of potatoes? So I'm filling it up about 2 to 4 inches. And then I'm going to put my potatoes in there. And so this time I got purple potatoes and a couple red potatoes, and I cut them up this time. So last time I just did the whole potato. This time I cut it. So see, it's been cut so that the eyes are showing here. So I just cut them, and I'm going to place them with the eye up. You know, I don't think I'm going to show what it looks like. It's kind of hard to get inside the bucket. And once that is done, then I'm going to fill it up again with more soil and compost. With more soil. And this time I'm doing it halfway up. So I'm filling it up halfway up. So I have 2 to 4 inches, and then I'm going to fill it up another 6 inches possibly. Not going all the way to the top this time. I learned from my last potato bucket that I filled it all the way up, and I think that's why my potatoes were so small. So this time I'm gonna, fill it up halfway and then add soil as I go. And so here's some banana peels and some coffee grounds, because, you can never have enough coffee grounds and banana peels when you're planting. So yeah, so I'm putting a little bit of that in there, and then I'm going to keep adding the soil. And I'm going to leave it, I guess this bucket will possibly be about halfway full. And when the potato starts to sprout, then I'll add more soil. And I'm going to continue adding soil until it reaches the lip of the bucket. So over time, as the potatoes grow, they're supposed to be growing underneath the ground. So I want to give it more ground to grow in. And when it gets to the very, very top near the end, then I'll cover it with mulch And I'll have to put that in another video because at this point, you're only going to see the beginning. So in the next garden update, I'll do a check on how these little potatoes are doing. And hopefully by the next garden update, I'll actually have a little green showing, a little bit of the plant showing, and then I can add a little bit more soil, and hopefully this batch of potatoes will do much better. So this is my second bucket. I'm filling up the second bucket, following that same procedure. Soil, then potatoes, then soil with compost. There's the little potato that I cut, and then more soil. So remember, the bucket's only about halfway full of soil right now. And as they continue to grow, I'm going to continue to add more soil so we can have a little potato hill within this bucket. So I can't wait to see what happens. Look at there, I found another potato using this recycled soil. So one extra potato for my batch. And yeah, just mixing in the old with the new. Of course, you know, this is something new to me, so hey, try it out. So now that's it, guys. All you have to do is just wait, and when the green starts to come up, add a little bit more dirt. It's called hilling, and I'm going to keep adding the soil until oh no. That's gonna be bad, probably. cloudy and it's supposed to rain today, so I'm going to hold off on watering just for now. However, I do want you to see the massiveness of this zucchini. I planted this zucchini and boy, I tell you, it has gone haywire. Look at that. Wow. I've never grown zucchini before. He put the seeds in and God took over. Well, he's always in control, so it's just amazing to see this. Beautiful squash blossom. Oh, zucchini blossom. Do I have any zucchini? It doesn't look like any zucchinis here yet. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, here's a secret right here. I planted some carrots right here, and they are actually doing something. I hid them underneath the little seed tray where I keep little seedlings. Cherokee purple, still don't want to go purple. This sunflower, boy, oh boy. You're on your way. Oh wait, what is this on you? It's the bug's life right here. Just saw something. Okay, I see. Oh, there you are. You don't want me to tell the world who you are. Let's find out. These tomatoes aren't doing too great. But they'll be okay, I'm sure. Some more little sunflowers. Somebody's eating them. Maybe I'll do a little peppermint spray. I'm about to cut these squash. Two. The chickens. Oh well. It's so pretty. zucchini yet. See a little male flower here. Let's see. A whole bunch of tangled mess here. That was zucchini. A whole bunch of leaves. I'm gonna check back in with that one.